I need a winner arms to charm and keep her warm. Oh, and I'll be flowing on and on from dusk till dawn. She's the one who keeps I calm.
Hey my natural beauties, wagwan, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be all about this gorgeous full pink inspired makeup look. This is definitely motivated by Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is October, and I wanted to do a tutorial which features all pink, something nice, you know, with the glitter and whatever. I'm also going to be featuring this hair tutorial, so you guys do not want to miss that. The perfect 4C ponytail. If you guys want to see, keep on watching. As usual, y'all already don't know what to do. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications as well to get all my notifications for my videos.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so we're beginning first, of course, as always, with the hair. I have my hair, this is really old. It's like pre-wash day, so it's very dry. I'm going to be misting it with water so that the hair is able to hold the product better. The Gorilla Snot is going to be my gel of choice today. I'm going to just apply that all around the edges, you know, like all around the edges to make sure that everything is nice and slick. And I'm of course going to be working that in with a smoothing brush to make sure you know, everything nice and slick and smooth down so that it gives us like the best results. Then I'm gonna go ahead and secure that up into a high ponytail. Personally, I feel like the higher the ponytail, the cuter the style comes out. But we're not gonna be releasing that here. We're going to kind of slouch it down like a little bit, you know, into a little ball thing. So after that, I'm gonna be working on my edges, my extreme edges, and I'm gonna be using the Got to Be Glued to just create some baby hairs along with my toothbrush, my hair toothbrush. Guys, when you're trying to make those cute little baby hairs and whatever, the best thing is to get you a hair toothbrush. It gives you like the best results ever. So I'm just gonna do that, Got to Be, on that hair toothbrush and make some baby hairs so that it looks nice and cute. I'm also taking some of that gel and I'm fixing my little roly-polies at the back of my head. Everybody has those, I think, when you have 4C or 4B hair. It tends to be a little nappy back there. So I'm just gonna put some same Got to Be or the Gorilla Snot. Either one works fine. Just gonna drop some of that on there. Next, I'm gonna be using my styling strips from Swanee to slick down the edges like optimal slick. I'm tying on 2 strips. And that's going to make it as slick as possible. I'm also going to put my scarf over it so that I get the middle part of my head to be, you know, flat as possible too. So then I'm gonna get into the hair that I am using. I'm gonna start, you know, forming my ponytail. These are our bundles of Yaman braiding hair. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture of Yaman to show you guys, and it's like my favorite hair to use whenever I'm doing like a protective style because the texture is very similar to that of our hair 4C, and it just looks as natural as possible. So what I'm doing is I just made 2 bundles by gathering the hair and attaching a scrunchie to the middle. You guys have seen this in so many braid tutorials, so nothing too detailed because it's very self-explanatory. All I did was put the scrunchie over it and then attached the scrunchie to it in the middle of the bundle. So one bundle is bigger than the other. I'm going to be putting the thinner bundle to the back, and all I'm doing is putting the scrunchie over the bun and securing it, and the other one that's going to be falling from the top is going to be attached like upside down basically. You guys can see, I'm not really good at explaining this stuff, but that's basically all I do, and then I just flip it over. What I'm gonna also be doing to make it a bit more discreet is I'm gonna take some of the hair from the back, just a couple locks of hair, and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to make it look more snug and also a bit more natural. And then once that's done, I am definitely ready to move on to this makeup look. Alright guys, for my makeup, I've already done my brows off camera because you guys have seen me do my brows like 1,000,001 times. So right now I'm just going to be applying some primer, or I would say concealer, but it's acting as a primer today, just to give me a clean base on my eyes, and I'm blending that out with the like a regular makeup wedge. And the concealer I used was the LA Girl Pro in the shade Cool Tan. Next, I'm going into the Morphe 32B, 35B. I don't remember what this palette is called, guys. Yo, check the description bar. I'm going to be using that peach color in my crease just to add a bit of a transition. And I'll be going back and forth between palettes today. You guys will see that. But just to warm up the crease a little bit, I went in with that peach color on a blending brush. Then I'm using the Jacylyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm using that like a warm orangish kind of color into my crease to kind of give me the effect I was going for at first. This is the effect I was going for at first, and I totally forgot the name of that color, but of course all the colors that I use and the palettes and products and everything will be listed down below in the description bar. So you guys can see I went in with that pink on top of the orange color. I just packed on that pink because I didn't put the pink down right away because I wanted it to kind of blend in, you know, transitionally. So then I'm taking that mauve color and I'm packing that on the outer V of my eye, kind of trying to pack it as dense as I can, but these brushes, they don't really pick up a lot of product. So you guys will see me here blending out a lot of that eyeshadow just to make it look seamless but still present, you know. So for this look, I'm going to be doing like a half a cut crease to make it a bit more outstanding, and I just used the concealer straight. I didn't waste time applying it to a brush because I was kind of in a hurry. So you know, you guys can see me here forming that cut crease, and on top of that cut crease I just put a gold eyeshadow from the same Jacylyn Hill Morphe palette. And you guys can definitely put something that stands up a little bit more, stands out. I did the gold first, and then now you guys can see me going on top of the gold with an actual pink eyeshadow from one of those palettes, because I was kind of winging this look, guys. I know what I wanted it to look like, but I wasn't really sure how to get there, so I tried everything literally. I'm just blending in some more of that mauve into the crease to make it stand out a bit more, because I want it to be pink, like as I look upon my eye, then pink, just a lick in your face, yeah, like that. So I'm using the Cherry Cosmetics. Oh my god, I love her products so much. This is the It Stays Adhesive. It's basically just like glue for your glitter. Why is my tongue tying up? It's basically glue for your glitter. So I'm applying a bit of that so that my glitter can stick, and this of course is one of the glitters from her collection. I totally do not remember which one it was, but I'm gonna leave her Instagram down below so you guys can check out her products, because I'm telling you, prices are on point, quality is on point, and I've been buying from her for a couple years now. So hey Carrie. Yeah guys, you can definitely check her out. So I'm just packing on the glitter. I'd never wanted the glitter to overpower the look, so I took my time to, you know, put on a little bit at a time, and as I go on, you know, I kind of blend my shadows, because depending on how you place the glitter, it can make you look weird. So, you know, I had to go in and blend, make sure that it looks nice and seamless. But now that it looks like what I want, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer to my face. I did not use foundation for this look, and I think this is something that I'll be doing more often, because man, I know I just love the way this come out. Yo, this was the LA Girl Pro concealer in Beautiful Bronze, and I love the match. So I just kind of applied it all over my face with this foundation brush at first, but you guys know concealer is really thick, so it didn't blend out exactly how I wanted to. I ended up going in with a wedge to blend it out, and then after I blended out a majority of it with the wedge, I went in with my regular e.l.f. powder brush to just kind of make sure there were no lines and blotches or anything like that, because when you're working with concealer you have to work very quickly because it dries fast. highlight, I'm gonna use the same Illegal Pro in Cool Tan, and I'm being very generous. Guys, I find that when you're generous with the product, the look comes out way better sometimes, and you know, when you just barely apply it. And I've always been a minimalistic kind of person with my makeup. I don't like when it looks too loud, and I don't like when it's just too much. So I always was just sparingly using like concealer and them thing there. But now, like especially with the concealer under your eyes, the one that you use to highlight, I think if you're generous with it, once it's blended out properly, you know, it's fine. So I'm gonna start being a lot more generous with it now, because it gives you that pop that you're really looking for. So yeah, I'm gonna just blend this out. And next, to set my face, I'm gonna be using the Milani the pressed powder, and this is in the shade medium deep. This is like the first type, not the new type, but the first type of pressed powders that they had. And I just applied it all over my face, and then after I did this, I went in and I highlighted. And I set my highlight, and to set my highlight, I did use the same Milani powder, the loose one, in medium to deep. Yeah, that's the one I used. So I just use that to kind of bake underneath my eyes and ting and ting. Now once all of that is absorbed, you just go ahead and blend that back out, you know, to make everything look smooth. But guys, you can see the difference with the concealer as the foundation. Y'all already know, Earth Glow to contour, this is like a must in every single one of my videos because it's bomb. So yeah, but you guys can definitely tell even on camera the difference that using the concealer as a foundation make. I'm definitely going to start doing that move because I love how it looks. Everything is just so set. It just looks so set. To highlight, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the That Glow Kit, one of the first versions. I'm using what's that shade called? Golden Bronze, I think it's my favorite one in the kit. It's very skin-like, but it gives you like an amazing highlight. So that's what I'll be applying to all my highlight points. Alright guys, so onto lips, I'm using Amir Cosmetics all day. I'm using Cocoa, which is their brown liner to line my lips, and then I'm gonna go into the middle of Cocoa with the Ultra Matte lipstick, the Ultra Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Paris, which is like a nice matte pink. I'm gonna be using that, and then on top of that I'm going in with the Luminous gloss. The shade is called Passion, and it's my favorite one, guys. I shouldn't forget that one. I'm putting Passion on top of Paris, which went on top of Cocoa. So all day, Amir Cosmetics. I swear the quality of these products completely has me. I will leave all the info to the products and the Instagram and such down below. Just look for that link down there. All right. And this is the finished look, guys. I absolutely love how it came out. So gorgeous. Very daytime statement type. And the hair with the makeup is giving me such good vibes, guys. But yeah, this is the final look. I really love how thick the ponytail is. I love it. Definitely statement hair. But yeah, you can rock it to the side if you want. You don't always have to rock it up. It can be flipped to the side and still give you that nice Empress vibes. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I want to do more bomb makeup tutorials like this, so I want you guys to go ahead and thumbs up the video so I know that you guys liked it. Don't forget to follow my social media sites to see what I post when I am not making YouTube videos. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of this look is. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. All right, and until next time, mwah, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.